Hello everybody, today I am reviewing the Tide Hygienic Clean Heavy Duty 10 times right here. Now, I don't know if I reviewed this on my other channel or not. I may have, but I haven't used this in a long time, and I'm not sure whether I reviewed it or not. So I will be going in the laundry room. You will see whether the clothes got clean or not. Okay, so yes, I'm reviewing this today. And Tide is a very good laundry detergent. You guys have seen that I have reviewed so many detergents, and there are other detergents that's just as good as Tide. But when I have extra money or can catch a good sale, I buy Tide and I just put it away. So another thing I want to say is my wonderful sister, my friend, Latonya, sent me a wonderful card, and it really, I told her I was crying, and I was. You know, people, there are a lot of nice people up here, and they don't have to give you no cards or anything. And she's been so wonderful to me over the years. And she's a true blue friend. She's a wonderful lady. Her channel name is Latonya's Lifestyle, and Simply LB is her channel where she showcases the food that she cooks. Okay, make sure you go over there and check her out. And hey, Latonya, if you're watching. So I'm going to share this card. I'm running my mouth, and I'm going to show you this card. And it says, wishing you peace in your heart as you let your body follow its own gentle path to healing. Isn't that wonderful? That's wonderful. It says, quiet in your soul as you let go and let God nurture you as only He can do. Calmness in your spirit as you know the blessings of renewal and reflection this time of recovery offers. So inside it says, thinking of you and hoping that God, rest and prayer will restore good health to you. Take care, my sister. Love, Latonya. Isn't that really nice? It's nice when people take time out of their day and, you know, send you a card and let you know that they're praying and thinking about you. It means a whole lot to me. It really does. Okay. So now I'm going to go. I think I'm going to do it in the laundry room. No. Okay, so I'm going to show you. I'm not going to drag it out because I know sometimes I'll be dragging it out a little. But I will show you what the clothes look like. You know, it'll be like the regular one, but I'm going to cut it down some. Okay? These are light clothes. Hello everybody. This is what my clothes look like. Nice, bright and clean. And I'm really surprised because I had some darker items. I even got a red shirt that I couldn't fit up here. And it was a It was like a 5-year-old waiting to use the machine. He's 5 and he can wash clothes already. That is a good thing. So this Tide is great. Oh, my clothes look nice and bright. And a lot of times I show a lot of older items that I have to show you that the detergent can still brighten them up. I have this shirt. I'm surprised that the red shirt that I have didn't bleed into it. Let me show you that shirt. Yes, this shirt is a new shirt. And it didn't bleed onto that white and blue shirt. I'm so surprised. I shouldn't have put it in there because it could have messed my clothes up. Yeah, so this Tide is awesome, y'all.